Wanna learn how to put Tellonym on Insta story? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Sometimes we may want to put our Tellonym profile on Insta story so that our friends can know about us on Tellonym and follow us simultaneously. So for that, you need to get logged in just like me and then tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. You can see that you have an option of share profile. Tap on share profile. You can choose any of the social networking site or other apps where you want to add profile link to. So I'm going to tap on Instagram. So if I want to share my Tellonym profile link to my Instagram bio, you can tap on yes, added it on the bottom. And yes, that's my link in the bio. I can adjust it and people can simultaneously see my story and follow me and send me tells on Tellonym. So that's it, and tap on your story on the bottom left corner. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.